Best of Breed Abyssinian Kitten, Rudy Ticket Tabi. Regional winner, breed winner, Kelela Aloha Hura of Tajihara, Mary Friends, Southwest Region. Best of Breed American Bobtail Kitten, Brown Classic Tabby, Regional winner, breed winner, Magic Bob's Oz, Robert G. Hirling Jr., Mid-Atlantic Region. Best of Breed American Curl Kitten, Chocolate Mackerel Tabby and White, Regional winner, breed winner, Kernix, It Is No Secret, Grace Ruga, Joe Ruga, Southwest Region. Best of Breed American Curl Longhair Kitten, Chocolate Classic Torby and White, Regional winner, breed winner, Overer Madame Butterfly, Claire Winman, Europe West Region. Best of Breed American Wirehair Kitten, Brown Classic Torby, Regional winner, breed winner, Gacrux Mary Jane, Andrés Mauricio Cruz Rivera, South America Region. Best of Breed Australian Mist Kitten, Fossipia Spotted Tabby, breed winner, Dreamtime Far Dinkum of Ozcats, Tom Craig, K.L. Hanvey, Northwest Region. Best of Breed Balinese Kitten, Red Silver Lynx Point, Regional winner, breed winner, Synergy Antares, Heather Lorimer, Great Lakes Region. Best of Breed Bengal Longhair Kitten, Black Silver Spotted Tabby, Cat's Mew Sharp Dressed Man, Lisa Smashay, Great Lakes Region. Best of Breed Burman Kitten, Siltort Point Gloved, Regional winner, breed winner, Etoile Finibus Terra of Rumblepuff, Judith Elizabeth Millen, Southeast Region. Best of Breed Bombay Kitten, Black, breed winner, The Wild Angel W. Axa, Vladimir Korotaev, Elena Korotaeva, Europe North Region. Best of Breed British Longhair Kitten, Black Golden Shaded, Regional winner, breed winner, Anaki Kiki, Kishen, Asia West Region. Best of Breed British Shorthair Kitten, Blue, Regional winner, breed winner, Lotten Galaha, Zhang He King, Asia West Region. Best of Breed Burmese Kitten, Sable, Regional winner, breed winner, Temple Bar, Duke of Gogarty, Tel Mitchell, Northeast Region. Best of Breed Burmila Kitten, Seal Silver Shaded Sepia, Regional winner, breed winner, Silver Passion Lord Aramis, Claudia Schnabel, Markus Jurekovic, Europe South Region. Best of Breed Burmila Longhair Kitten, Seal Silver Shaded Sepia, Casanov Katz Aniha, Stephanie Moore, Northwest Region. Best of Breed Chartreux Kitten, Blue, breeder winner, Tihakals Jan of Laladol, Misako Manami Iraze, Asia East Region. Best of Breed Devon Rex Kitten, Lilac Mackerel Tabby, Regional winner, breed winner, Face Huggers, Worst Day Since Yesterday, Honey Gilmore, Charles Haney, Southeast Region. Best of Breed Donskoy Kitten, Brown Classic Torby and White, Regional winner, breed winner, Ange da Jean Tatiana Don, Renata Alencar Lopes Garcia, South America Region. Best of Breed Egyptian Mound Kitten, Black Silver Spotted Tabby, Regional winner, breed winner, Celestial Spots Sungrazer, Denise B. Spraker, South Central Region. Best of Breed Exotic Shorthair Kitten, Brown Spotted Tabby and White, Regional winner, breed winner, Marlivo Heartbreaker, Alenia and Jean Forster, South Central Region. Best of Breed Himalayan Kitten, Seal Point, Regional winner, breed winner, Melody's Precious, Jean-Marc Vampuy. Europe South region. Best of breed Japanese Bobtail Kitten, red smoke and white. Regional winner, breed winner, Jinchika Hornbill Hunter, Nick and Corey Crandall Seibert, Great Lakes region. Best of breed Japanese Bobtail Longhair Kitten, black silver mackerel tab and white. Breeder winner Kaito Rokinashi, James Reedon, Iris and Robert Zink, Northeast region. Best of breed Korat Kitten, blue. Kai Muk Ari, Muriel Anso, Europe South region. Best of breed Kurilian Bobtail Longhair Kitten, brown classic tab and white. Breed winner Dashkoshka Václav Nijinsky, Marian Cavalier, Northeast region. Best of breed La Perm Kitten, black smoke. Mirage Cat Sir Gregor Clegan, Joyce Pierceman, Mid-Pacific region. Best of breed Lycoy Kitten, black roan. Regional winner, breed winner La Lupa Manara of Skinny-Sin, Colin Boissonneau, Northwest region. Best of breed Bencun Polydactyl Kitten, brown ticket tabby. Regional winner, breed winner Leather and Lace Sansa PP, John Monster, Europe North region. Best of breed Manx Kitten, black silver classic Torby. Breed winner Fairytale Jessia Dax, Lisa Paul, Northwest region. Best of breed Minuet Kitten, red silver classic tab and white. Blue Bonnets as another shot of tequila, Edwina Lot, South Central region. Best of breed Minuet Longhair Kitten, red silver shaded, regional winner, breed winner, Liederling's Champagne on Ice, Sarah Zheng, Lin Elk, Asia West region. Best of breed Munchkin Kitten, Lilac Thornton White, breed winner, Rug Runners Coraline, Sherry McDonnell, Mid-Atlantic region. Best of breed Munchkin Longhair Kitten, brown spotted tabby and white, regional winner, breed winner, Spirit Tail Mango, Yao Wang, Zhang Jiali, Asia West region. Best of breed Ossicat Kitten, chocolate spotted tabby, regional winner, breed winner, Irushka Rocketman, Catherine Kennedy and Pat Arnold. Best of breed Oriental Longhair Kitten, brown ticket tabby, regional winner, breed winner, Synergy Quasar of Road Sand, George and Marilyn DeLong, Southeast region. Best of breed Oriental Shorthair Kitten, brown spotted tabby, regional winner, breed winner, Jubatus Remember My Name, Natalia Popokina, Alexandra Romankova, Europe North region. Best of breed Peterball Kitten, black and white, regional winner, breed winner, Persia Hillary, Joyce Shuong, Southwest region. Best of breed Pixie Bob Kitten, brown spotted tabby, regional winner, breed winner, Kai Miliutken Pushin, Oksana Velikotkaya, Europe North region. Best of breed Pixie Bob Longhair Kitten, brown spotted tabby, breed winner, Alpine legend Greasy Burr, Brenda Miller, South Central region. Best of breed Savannah Kitten, brown spotted tabby, regional winner, breed winner, Alice Savannah Onjasi Knight, Janet Nathan, Spain, Robert Rohrbach, Northeast region. Best of breed Scottish Fold Kitten, black silver classic tab and white, regional winner, breed winner, Kathleen Spalmito, Ludmila Mianikova, Europe South region. Best of breed Scottish Straight Kitten, Chocolate Golden Chinchilla, breed winner, Moose Quarterback Sneak of Sarkan, Cheryl Hogan and Pamela Brooks Mercier, South Central region. Best of breed Scottish Straight Longhair Kitten, Brown Spotted Tabby and White, Regional Winner, Breed Winner, Pocus Double Trouble of Becharmant, Lisa Thomas Great Lakes Region. Best of breed Selkirk Rex Kitten, Black Smoke, Regional Winner, Breed Winner, Chaldy Smoke on the Water, Craig Toll, Southeast Region. Best of breed Selkirk Rex Longhair Kitten, Cream, Regional Winner, Breed Winner, Onefield Kim Crawford, Sharon Stegall, Northeast Region. Best of breed Singapura Kitten, Sable Ticket Tabby, Regional Winner, Breed Winner, Katong Peranakan, Damian Bourreau, Catherine Bourreau, Europe South Region. Best of breed Somali Kitten, Rudy Ticket Tabby, Regional Winner, Breed Winner, Katsanova Picasso, Bernard Clergue, Fabienne Kletsiki, Europe South Region. Best of breed Sphinx Kitten, White, Regional Winner, Breed Winner, Destinies in Full Swing, Emily Green, Mid-Atlantic Region. Best of breed Thai Kitten, Seal Point, Regional Winner, Breed Winner, Cloud City Emily, Marilyn Tennyson, South Central Region. Best of breed Tiger Kitten, Brown Mackerel Tabby, Regional Winner, Breed Winner, Alluring Sahara of Casa Cruz, Rosemary Cruz, Southwest Region. Best of breed Turkish Van Kitten, Red Classic Tabby and White, Regional Winner, Breed Winner, Kaiserai Apollo, Barbara Lindsay, South Central Region.